Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Gobina, and you are definitely welcome to the channel. I know for some of you it's probably your first time here, so let me take this time to introduce myself, what I do, and who I am. I'm a nobody. I'm just saying. Anyways, I'm a photographer and a videographer originally from Cameroon, but I'm currently based in Norway. I've lived here for like 9 months now, and you know, it's pretty great. Norway is a good country, a lot of sightseeing to do, a lot of nature and all that stuff. So I absolutely love it here, even though it's a little bit cold for me, maybe too cold for me. So yeah, that's what it is. I guess you win some, you lose some. You know, you can't always win, man. You can't always get what you want. So that's what it is. You gotta make some sacrifices. Anyways, I just wanted to introduce you guys to the channel. And on this channel, we are gonna be doing a few things. First and foremost, we're gonna be sharing some information and knowledge on, you know, photography and videography as a whole. You know, showing some tips and tricks, some techniques on how we film stuff, and you know, technical details when it comes to that aspect of, you know, handling your camera and all that. But you need to keep in mind that some of these things are very subjective and different people are going to do it in different ways. I'm just going to share the way I do it and the way that works best for me. And if you think that it might work for you, then I suggest you go ahead and try it out. You know, you might find it not to work, or you might find it to work. So, you know, you got to try it out and see what works best for you. Secondly, I think we're going to be doing some vlogs. I really love traveling and going around. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do that so much lately, but I hope that I can get back to it. And I would just like to share some of those, you know, trips with you guys, my experiences and all that. And maybe, just maybe, if you're traveling to those places, then you can find some information that might be helpful to you. So that is the long and short of what we are going to be doing here on this channel. I hope that you know, probably gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be a lot of cinematic sequences and all that stuff. So if that's your thing, then this is the place where you need to be. So anyways, I'm gonna keep this video really short. Did I miss anything? I told you who I am. Did I tell you my name? My name is Gobina. I'm not really good at introductions. I just had to get this out. So my name, what I do, photography, filmmaking, where I live. I'm currently in Norway, where I'm from Cameroon. What else is to know? What else is it that you need to know? I'm not sure what you need to know. So if there's something else that you need to know about me, just drop it down in the comment sections below and I'll get back to you with an answer. That's that for today, and thank you for spending the time to watch this. If you're not subscribed yet, I would kindly ask you to do so. If you find this content interesting, or you think you might find the content interesting, go ahead and subscribe. And remember, you can always unsubscribe if, you know, this doesn't work out for you. Yeah, that's that. I will see you in the next video. Gotta go.